Welcome to Top Rated. Eight Best Sony 4K Camcorder. Top 1. Sony PXW-Z190V 4K XDCAM Camcorder, PXW-Z190V, with padded case, LED light, 64GB memory card and more base bundle, renewed, ESON PXW-Z190V UP1. 1x Sony PXW-Z190 4K 3CMOS 1/3 sensor XDCAM camcorder 1x professional LED 160 video light 1x 64GB SDXC high speed memory card 1x soft padded carrying case 1x 6x6-inch velcro straps, assorted colors, 1x deluxe cleaning kit 1x memory card wallet 1x SD card USB reader, 1/3x mirror CMOS sensors, 4K 60p recording, integrated 25x Sony G optical zoom lens, electronic variable ND filter, optional MPEG HD license, supports HLG. For an HDR workflow, optional simultaneous 4K HD recording, built-in 2.4/5 GHz Wi-Fi. Bundle items include 1x Sony PXW-Z190 4K 3CMOS 1/3 sensor XDCAM camcorder 1x professional 160 LED video light studio, Series 1x Sony 64GB UHSI SDXC memory card, Class 10, 1x soft padded carrying case 1x 6x6-inch velcro straps, assorted colors, 1x lens cleaning solution 1x blower brush 1x microfiber cloth 1x lens tissue paper 1x5 PC cotton swabs 1x memory card wallet 1x SD card USB reader. Top 2. Sony Handycam FDR-X700 4K HD video camera camcorder plus extra battery and charger plus 3-piece filter kit plus wide-angle lens plus case plus tripod and more, advanced bundle. Sony FDR-X700 4K camcorder FDR-X700 per byte, NPF V70AV series battery pack, external rapid battery charger, 128GB SDXC memory card, 62mm 3-piece filer kit /0.45x wide-angle lens, 62mm, black, /soft padded carrying case /flexible tripod, 12/1 meter mini HDMI to HDMI cable /memory card wallet /SD card USB reader /eDigital USA microfiber cloth /portable LED video light /camcorder, microphone eDigital USA deluxe cleaning kit /4K HDR. Video recording, 1-inch type stacked CMOS sensor /Bions X image processor, 273-point phase detection autofocus /Zeiss Vario Sonority lens, 12x optical zoom and 18x clear image zoom /optical. Top 3. Sony HXRN-X200 HXRN-X200P 4K professional PAL camcorder, renewed. 4K or HD, simply superb image quality, optimized for PAL 50Hz, stunning quality from a large 1.0 type sensor, Sony G lens with 24x clear image zoom, FHD, multi-format recording with 100 Mbps XAVCS 4K, HD and DV. The freshly released Sony HXRN-X200 is a 20MP 1.0x mirror CMOS camcorder, capable of shooting 100 Mbps 4K in XAVCS at 25p, or 1080p at 50p onto SD cards. The stabilized lens is 29mm to 348mm equivalent 12x optical servo zoom, opening up from f2.8 to f11. The lens has 3 rings to control focus, aperture and zoom, all of which can also be controlled automatically. Sony's clear image zoom extends the zoom range to 18x in 4K and 24x in 1080p. It features a 1.56 dots LCD and viewfinder, built-in ND filters, 2 to 6 stops, microphone and 2 phantom-powered XLR ports and uses Sony SNPF-style batteries. Sony is also touting some new natural color science. Top 4. Sony FDR-X53 4K Ultra HD Handycam Camcorder, FDR-AX53 per byte, plus 64GB memory card plus NPFV70 battery plus filter kit plus bag plus charger plus card reader plus HDMI cable plus flex tripod plus memory wallet plus cleaning kit. Bundle items include 1x Sony FDR-X53 4K Ultra HD Handycam Camcorder, 1x SanDisk Secure Digital 64GB Extreme PROC memory card, 1x NPFV70 replacement battery, 1x 3-piece filter kit, 1x soft bag, 1x external charger, 1x memory card reader, 1x micro HDMI cable, 1x flexible tripod, 1x memory card wallet, 1x cleaning kit. The Sony FDR-X53 is a palm-sized Handycam camcorder that combines a Zeiss 20x optical zoom lens and a high-sensitivity image sensor to produce crisp and high-quality UHD 4K video. The XMRR CMOS image sensor supports UHD 4K video capture at 24 or 30 fps using Sony's XAVCS codec and features pixels that are approximately 1.6x larger than the previous model for enhanced performance in all conditions, particularly low-light scenarios. Top 5. Sony FDR-AX53 per byte 4K HD video recording camcorder, black. Zeiss lens, 26.8mm, 20x optical zoom in 4K, 30x clear image zoom in 4K, 3.0 inches LCD, touch panel, EVF, Wi-Fi NFC, manual ring, night shot, 4K time-lapse capture. Diopter adjustment, yes, -4.0 to +3.0 mstyle name equals sub -1/style, built-in zoom microphone. Minimum focus distance approximately 13/30 seconds inch, wide, approximately 31½ inch, tele, approximately 1 cm, wide, approximately 80 cm, tele. Focal length, 35mm equivalent, still image, f equals 26.8 to 536.0mm, 16:9, f equals 32.8 to 656.0mm, 4:3, focal length, 35mm equivalent, video, f equals 26.8 to 536.0mm, 16:9, 2, in the box, rechargeable battery pack, NPFV70/NPFV70A, 1. AC adapter, 1. Power cord, 1. Operating guide, 1. HDMI, micro, cable, 1. Micro USB cable, 1. Top 6. Sony FDR-X43 UHD 4K Handycam Camcorder, renewed. 4K 116:9 video optimized 1/2. 5 inches XMRR low light CMOS sensor, built-in gimbal, balanced optical steady shot image stabilizer, 20x optical zoom and clear image zoom of 30x per 4K 1/40x for HD2, fast intelligent AF tracks focus to captures decisive moments, 26. 8mm 2 wide-angle Zeiss Vario Sonarity zoom lens. Top 7. Sony FDR-X700 4K HDR camcorder, renewed. 1-inch, 1.0 type, stacked XMRR S-back illuminated CMOS sensor, incredibly fast, hybrid AF with 273 points and wide coverage, 4K resolution, 3840x2160, in addition to Full HD. Filter diameter, 62mm. Instant HDR workflow with hybrid log gamma, HLG, encoding. Top 8. Sony Handycam FDR-X700 4K HD video camera camcorder plus 2 extra batteries and charger plus 128GB memory card plus case plus mic plus monitor and more. International model, professional bundle. Bundle includes Sony Handycam FDR-X700 4K HD Camcorder 1x 7 inches Full HD monitor with 4K support 128GB memory card Rode mic 1x Professional full-size tripod 1x Video LED light 2x NPFV 70 AV series battery pack 1x 62mm 3-piece filer kit 1x padded deluxe carrying case with strap 1x premium flexible tripod 1x external battery charger 1x micro HDMI to HDMI high performance cable 1x deluxe cleaning kit 1x memory card wallet 1x SD card USB reader 4K HDR video recording 1-inch type stacked CMOS sensor, Bions X image processor 273-point phase detection autofocus, Zeiss Vario Sonarty lens 12x optical zoom and 18x clear image zoom, optical steady shot image stabilization 0.39-inch OLED EVF/3.5 inches extra fine LCD. Thanks for watching, please like and share and subscribe our channel.